Welcome back, children. Today we will learn a lesson from grammar textbook. The name of the lesson is Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison. We know what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or qualifies the noun or a pronoun. Adjectives are used to describe the quality of a noun, but sometimes we need to describe that quality in comparison with that same quality in another object. And children, do you know there are 3 degrees of comparisons in adjectives of quality? They are the positive, comparative and superlative. Now let us see what is positive degree of comparison. Positive comparison is used for when we only describe one person or thing. Examples: the house is big. Here, the adjective big tells us about the quality of only one house. So it is called the positive degree. The boy is fast on his bicycle. Here, the adjective fast is said to be in positive degree because it tells us about the quality of only one person. The girl is smart. Here, the adjective smart tells us about the quality of only one girl. So, it can be called a positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective shows the existence of a certain quality. It is the original form of the adjective. Now let's learn the second degree of comparison, that is comparative degree. Comparative degree tells us about a higher degree than the positive degree. It compares two persons or things. We use the word than with the comparative degree of an adjective. Let's see some examples. The house is big, but my house is bigger. Here the adjective bigger compares two houses. So we can say it is in comparative degree because we are comparing two things. The boy is fast on his bicycle, but I'm faster. Here the adjective faster is used to compare two persons. One more example, the radio was loud, but the TV was louder. Here the adjective louder is said to be in comparative degree because it compares two things. So, the comparative degree of an adjective shows the higher degree of the quality. It is used when two things or persons are to be compared. Most adjectives form their comparative degree by adding er to the positive degree. See the examples: fast, faster, slow, slower, big, bigger, small, smaller, tall, taller. The adjectives ending with the letters FUL or E we use more to make the comparative form. Look at these words: painful, more painful, hopeful, more hopeful, beautiful, more beautiful, expensive, more expensive. There are some exceptions. Look at the following adjectives, children. How they form their comparative degree: good, better, bad, worse, many or much, more, little or few, less, far, farther or further, old, older or elder. So, the comparative degree of an adjective shows the higher degree of the quality. It is used when two things or persons are to be compared. Now, the third degree of comparison is superlative degree. Let us see how is superlative degree used. The superlative degree of an adjective shows the highest degree of the quality. It is used when more than two things or persons are compared. We use the with the superlative degree of an adjective. See some examples. He was the fastest in the bicycle race. Here, the adjective fastest is said to be in the superlative degree because it denotes the highest degree of the quality. It compares more than two persons. She was the smartest girl in the class. The adjective smartest is in superlative degree because it compares more than two girls. The biggest house on the block was for sale. Here the adjective biggest tells us about the highest degree of quality as it compares more than two things. So it is called superlative degree. Now let us see how the superlative degree of an adjective is formed. We add est to the adjective to form the superlative degree of that adjective. Look at the following words: fast, faster, fastest. Fast is the positive degree, faster is the comparative degree, and fastest is the superlative degree. Next, slow, slower, slowest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Some more examples: painful, more painful, most painful. Hopeful, more hopeful, most hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Now let's revise what we have learned in this class. Adjectives, degrees of comparison. We know that adjective is a word that is used to describe or qualify the noun or pronoun. There are 3 degrees of comparison in adjectives of quality. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree simply denotes the existence of some quality in the thing or person we speak about. We use it when no comparison is made. Comparative degree tells us about a higher degree than the positive degree. It compares two persons or things. And the superlative degree tells us about the highest degree of quality as it compares more than two people or things. Okay children, I hope you all understood today's class. All of you must read the textbook and study the formation of the degrees of comparison given in the textbook. We'll wind up today's class, children. Thank you and have a nice day.